So today we're here. It's a Park Pro. It's our Tier 4 one. The operator said he thought he heard something, but wasn't sure. What we have is all the studs on the tension wheel came off, and they ground the rim right into the hub and everything down. So we're doing this in the shop today. I'll show you how to do it. I actually had the same thing happen on the hill, and on the hill I didn't take the track off. If you put all the slack of the track on top, and I used a couple come-alongs and was able to pull tension from the blade to the top of the tracks, and I got just enough clearance in there pushing down with the blade with the front and get the front end off the ground to get the wheel on and off. I knocked out 3 or 4 of the studs on the hub when I put the new hub on, and was able to slide in the wheel and then put the studs on after. But you can do it with the track on without taking the track off, but this way I did it. So I backed up, got the splices right behind the front wheel. I'm going to detension it, raise the tracks, and I'll take the track off. Alright? So I got the track pulled the splice off, laid the track down. I'm going to put a jack stand under it. But this is what we got left. And we're gonna lift the front with the blade, put the jack stand under it to hold it, do the work, put it on, lower it back down, and hopefully we'll be done. Alright. Here we go. Alright. So I came from the automotive world, so you guys are in the automotive world, but you're not. You guys working at Snowcats or track vehicles. wheel bearings on them, and you get them really tight. Never put a car or a truck or anything, or a trailer anywhere near this where this tight is concerned.
Mark Woodward. Banshee to Mark Woodward.
Supposed to seat it first. Retorque it less. And if she's not lined up, go a little bit tighter.